Hello, I am Poonam Grover, mother of Deepshi Grover. Deepshi was a student of Dr.Nisha Varshney since class 9th. She studied social studies from her in class 9th and 10th, and from 11th onward she studied psychology and pol science from her. She's a very good teacher. Her way of explaining things through flow charts and all made her clear her concept till date in a very good manner. She's also a very good mentor. It is only because of her Deepshi is doing Masters in Disaster Management from Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. I really appreciate her a lot for making her concepts thorough clear. She's a very good mentor. I highly recommend Dr. Nisha Varshney Institute of Social Sciences for social study learning for everyone. Great.